So hey guys, how are you? In this video I will show you how you can make your PC faster by 2 times. So for doing this we have to look for some settings in our PC. So first setting we will change is the startup programs, and for doing that we have to go to task manager, and here in the startup tab we have to disable everything which we don't want. Here I want this dfx.exe, so I'm not disabling this. Okay, the next step we will do is to change power plans of our system. So for doing that we have to go to control panel. So here in control panel we have to open it, and here is power options. We will click on power options and we have to make sure that it is set on high performance. And one thing more, if we choose high performance it will use more energy but favors in our performance. We can make it more higher. Okay, the next step we will do is to disable all the visual effects, and for doing that we have to go to this PC and properties. In properties we have to click over advanced system settings, and this will open a pop-up. In this pop-up we have to go to advanced tabs, and in the performance we have to click on settings. So make sure this is set to adjust for best performance. So and you can this click over this and these things. Okay, apply. Okay, now next step we will do is to increase virtual RAM, and for doing that we have to follow the same process again. So here in the properties tab, under advanced system settings, in performance we have to go to advanced, and here virtual memory, so change it to 4 gigs every disk, 4 gigs in every disk, and I have choose custom size of 4096 MB, which is approximately 4 gigs. Okay, the next step we will do is just refresh our PC, and it will help us a lot in making our PC faster. So hope this video help you a lot guys. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.